So recently, I've been just perusing the internet and I've seen an uptick of everyone basically wanting to gatekeep the art of programming or game development, web development, software engineering. I get it. What people really want to do is they want to keep themselves at this level of just like competitiveness that just doesn't make any sense to me. Because let's be honest, we're all game developers, we're all software engineers, we are our own allies. But at the same time, we have this crabs in a barrel mentality where the only thing that we're really concerned about is keeping and hoarding all the knowledge that goes behind all of this stuff and not actually being able to share this with the world for no financial benefit. The greatest example of this is just thinking back to when I was a software engineer for a startup company, right? I worked with quite a few people, and everyone in the community themselves had like this sort of knowledge that they did not want like an outsider, as me being the new guy, to fully understand. This startup had just kind of like molded themselves into thinking that they were beyond reproach. They were just like too good to let this knowledge out. They wanted to be more inviting or have people come to the table, and let's say you have a coworker that's not really up to snub, right? You would think that you would want to elevate everyone so you guys would make a better product. But in all actuality, what they wanted to do was hoard it for themselves, um, treat it like a game of hot potato, keep that knowledge, and make everybody suffer because no one else is at their level of coding ability. And it really irks me. I understand that you have people at different levels of understanding, of reasoning, of programming. I fully understand it. But our jobs as software engineers or people who have done it for various amount of years, we want to make people better. And if there's no way to make people better or make people understand how to become better, if you're not willing to espouse any sort of knowledge towards the same community that you are officially benefiting from, think about it. If you know a better way of doing something and you see the same people or you see someone struggling to fully understand or grasp how they can be better at one particular thing, or maybe it's a range of particular things that you just see and you don't help, you are the definition of just the biggest piece of garbage that there possibly can be. And I mean that so wholeheartedly. The medium will not grow if you do not give it a chance to nurture. If you expect everyone, self-taught, people who've been to Ivy League colleges, people who've worked in tech, people starting in tech, to all be at the pinnacle of development, come on, guys. It's truly unrealistic. And there's so many people on the internet basically poo-pooing on every single person that wants to be better, that wants to make something, that wants to be something. And it's so infuriating. I really hate people who gatekeep. I really do. Because there is no reason for it. Just because you want to see that yourself is on this pedestal and you want everybody else to feel beneath you is absolutely garbage. And you are a garbage human for wanting that. But you know what? I could be wrong. I could be wrong. So you know what? If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Make sure to subscribe so I know that you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.